Hey Internet, welcome to the Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So what is the temperature change if a system is increasing by a rate of 150 degrees Celsius in a system during a heating process? Express it in kelvins. So since it's a temperature change, the rate will be the same. So it will be 150 kelvins respectively. We'll dive in a little bit deeper because students always get confused by this. So the change in temperature in Kelvin is equal to the change in temperature in degrees Celsius because both scales have the same increment in size. So this means that the change of 1 degree Celsius is equivalent to the change of 1 Kelvin. Therefore, when converting the temperature difference from Celsius to Kelvin, the numerical values remain the same. I hope that clarifies some doubts in students. Before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC, just in case that this video or this channel gets taken down for whatever reason. I try and comply with copyright laws, however, sometimes things do happen. Okay, and how you do this is by using the sniffing tool. So if you're on a Mac, just use your Mac equivalent. And if you've never used sniffing tool before, just click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in the taskbar, just search it using the Windows search. Type in snipping tool and then follow the instructions. So once you've got snipping tool open, click on video option, click on new, then left click, drag the rectangle and then cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, then hit the red square button to stop recording, then save your video. Alright, like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made up video or made up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.